So this is a short video to give you a better idea of how to use Postman. Step one is to press this plus button here, which will give you a new window. Alright, so I want to make sure for your second project you're probably going to have mixed verbs for your request, but for right now we're going to use post for everything. So I change that to post, and I put my URL. Let me go ahead and make this COP. You can use an IP address, by the way, but I've got this already ready to go. Okay, so now you've got post, you've got the URL. Now what we need to do is click on headers here, and we need to say content type and make sure it says application JSON. Let me say JSON. It does autocomplete. So, all right. So that's going to let everything know that you're sending JSON. All right. Body. And on body, we're going to say raw. This is probably an older version of Postman that you're using, so you might actually have a little. It might look a little different. So I'm going to say login. Remember, you got to be it is all case sensitive. And you might have a different login to test. That's what I had started with. And by the way, I am not hashing. This is not a hashed example. It's recommended that you hash. So body raw, and that's the outgoing JSON, and then you just click on send here. Okay, and then what you see down here in the bottom, you see the results. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and do a search. We're going to say content type JSON, application JSON. We're going to go to body raw. We're going to say user ID. Notice that it is definitely going to have to match what I've got, and I'm going to show you this. What I've got here, actually, it should be user ID, lowercase d. So let me go ahead and match that. Okay, so let's say one search. And how do you know how that's cased? You just look up here. Okay, what's in the PHP? So it should find anything with an A in it. So let's go ahead and hit the send button. Now we get a bunch of results sent back. And so that's how we do the search. Now I have a whole video on searching that returns a list of objects instead of a list of strings. But anyway, so that's all I got.